Viettel is one of the fastest growth telecommunication and information technology groups in the world. Viettel has been collaborating with the Vietnamese education sector on providing management tools, improving teaching and learning quality, creating a link between parents and students, schools and education management agencies. At the sector level, Viettel designs administration solutions which support management from the ministry to department level, from department to office level, and from the education office to local schools. At the national level, Viettel supports the Ministry of Education and Training to develop many softwares and education management applications. To support the management from Department of Education and Training to schools, Viettel provides intelligent systems such as the School Management System, web portals, the social network for online learning, ViettelStudy.
As a homegrown company, Viettel understands that developing a nationwide education IoT ecosystem in Vietnam is at a high level of complexity. 75% of the national area is covered by mountains. Ethnic minorities living in these areas are struggling with extreme climate, poverty, hunger, limited facilities, and illiteracy. The increasing wealth gap, leading to an educational gap between the urban and mountainous areas, remain major concerns of the public. As Viettel understands the current issue of education and the potential threat of socioeconomic education gap to the future education development and economic growth of Vietnam, ViettelStudy is designed as a comprehensive system to provide educational and enrichment opportunities for children across the nation. Built from March 2018, considered as the center of Viettel Education IoT ecosystem, ViettelStudy 2.0 is developed on the basis of a learning management system, a social network, and an e-commerce platform for exchanging educational content. ViettelStudy helps connect everyone in the educational system, including heads of the sector, educationalists, learners, and parents. The mission of the network is collaborating with the public education system to humanize education. With diverse user data including education authorities, teachers, parents, and students, ViettelStudy is designed in a multidimensional interactive way. The system allows managers to spread information quickly and interact with users. Similarly, instructors and students can easily communicate with each other, which thus enhances collaborative e-learning. It allows learners to benefit from the experience of their instructors and peers, becoming fully engaged in their own learning experience, and more effectively acquire and retain information. ViettelStudy is designed as an e-commerce site with various kinds of content such as videos and written lessons, tests and mini-games, and online interactive classes developed officially by education system management levels, top education companies, and teachers. ViettelStudy is the first and only e-learning social network in Vietnam until now. Currently, the network has 8.8 million active users of students and teachers from 40,000 out of the 44,000, which equals 91% of schools in Vietnam. 2 million parents are using it to supervise and support their children in learning. Over the next 3 years, ViettelStudy hopes to reach all 18.3 million students and 2 million teachers nationwide.
We prepared early for this by creating broad-reaching connectivity infrastructure. We invested 500 billion Vietnamese dong to build 60,000 new proper power poles and 23,000 kilometers of optic cable in order to reach all schools in remote geographic areas of Vietnam. We provide free internet for 30,000 schools, including 100% of schools in remote areas. Our educational program gave 126,000 scholarships with a value of 126 billion Vietnamese dong for 99,000 marginalized students. As a collaborator of the Vietnam government in education, we hope that ViettelStudy will keep the dreams to learn of every child in Vietnam alive. We believe that promoting empowerment through education would be a sound base for our future generation to flourish in a technological world.